Welcome to the 8th lesson in this course. Today we're going to set up a social share buttons by using a social share plugin. Keep in mind that we won't dive into too much details about this plugin, since we have a separate video which you can visit if you want to learn more about this plugin. Okay, so we are back at our blog single page. You may have noticed before that here we have these share this article buttons, which are used to share a specific articles on some social medias or to copy the URL of that article. Before we enable this, we need to go to the settings of our project, browse plugins, and you need to install a social share plugin. As you can see, I already have it installed, so I can immediately just close this and go back to the builder. And now the important thing is to select a direct wrapper of your buttons. As you can see, I here have simple divs which will be used as my buttons. You don't need to have a link tags. And for the structure, it's pretty simple. I just have one div and the image of a social media inside of it, and that's it. The most important thing here is to name your tags carefully. You don't want to have some random names here, because later on you will need those names to connect everything. So let's select this direct parent of these buttons, go to the settings, open the transform dropdown and select a social share plugin. We can open the plugin settings here and you can see that we have different options here. As you can see here, we need a Facebook, X, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email and copy to clipboard. So let's begin with the Facebook. As you can see, we have it here. If I open the dropdown, I need to select this item here. So let's type in Facebook. And as you can see, this is why it's very important to name your divs here carefully, because you can more easily find them here. So let's proceed with let's type in Twitter. So as you can see, here it is. Let's proceed with the LinkedIn. Next one is the WhatsApp. And the next on the line is the email. So let's find it here. We don't have the Viber and copy to clipboard. So let's find it here. And we can hit save. And that's pretty much it. Now we can proceed to our actual page and test how everything works. So let's begin with the Facebook. As you can see, I will get this pop-up to share this article on the Facebook. So let's close this pop-up. If I click on let's for example hit LinkedIn, you will see that I will get the pop-up, which gives me an option to share this article on the LinkedIn. And let's not test all of these. If I click here copy, I won't get any notification, but the URL of this article will be copied to my clipboard. We slowly came to the end of our 8th lesson. We saw how can we set up a social share buttons so our users can share our articles on their social medias. I'll be seeing you in the next lesson.